Within our program, we go ahead and teach you guys multiple ways to create a logo completely for free. A lot of people think that you have to go ahead and pay someone $5 to $10 on Fiverr to make a nice logo. No, you can literally do it for free, especially in today's time. So here's a strategy that go ahead and teach one of my students on how to go ahead and make a logo completely for free, and this can be done in any single industry. Here's a free tutorial from my program. If you guys want to go ahead and join that, click the link below. Other than that, here's a free segment. Blue and red, huh?
Yeah.
You just use that logo.
Oh, which one? That one.
Oh, I see what you do. This is cool. Yeah, find one that works. Find something simple.
Yeah. This one. This one looks good, right? So,
yeah, that one's a good one.
This one. Yeah. Okay.
That's a good one. Yeah.
Yeah. So, a cover photo. What do you think it will be good to put it on?
Just use the same.
Or just use the same.
Yeah, it should be okay. We just search up blue background, blue and red background. Okay. Yeah, that's a good one. There's a Shutterstock.
Okay, alright.
As you can see, completely for free, very simple. You get very nice designs. You get to choose many different options. This is just one of the many free strategies that we teach all our students in our program. So if you want to go ahead and sign up, we help a bunch of students every single day. And if you want to be one of our next success stories, click the link below, join our program, and we'll be able to go ahead and help you one-on-one. Other than that, question of the day, how did you go ahead and make your logo? Let me know. Other than that, before we end today's video, let's announce last year's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consulting course with me. The winners here. If you guys want to qualify, all to do is drop a comment below, follow me on Instagram, hit the subscribe button. I'll be picking the best comment every single video. Other than that, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow with much more value. Peace.